Oh, let's talk about insurance claims. They're a headache for you, and they're a headache for the insurance carrier too.
And that is why there are products and services on the market to try and prevent problems from happening at your place. Allison Gormley tells us what's the deal.
It is plugged into a wall.
It's just another device that plugs into the wall.
That's it. You don't notice it. It doesn't adversely affect the look of the room.
That's how Mike Fliss describes Ting, a smart sensor intended to detect electrical fire hazards in his home.
My insurance agent made the sensor and the system available to his clients.
Since it was free for the first year, Fliss took the device and signed up for its alerts. 6 months later,
I was contacted by Ting by a phone call, a text message, and an email, all with an urgent message of, hey, something is wrong.
Electricians found his refrigerator shared a circuit with too many other items, causing sparks in the back of his breaker box, something Fliss couldn't see with a simple inspection.
And nobody got hurt. And from the insurer's point of view, the house didn't burn to the ground.
Ting says the device monitors your home's electrical activity, looking for tiny signals that show if something potentially dangerous, like a small spark, is happening. From 2019 to 2023, electrical failure or malfunctions accounted for 11% of home fires.
There are many devices on the market right now that can provide peace of mind.
Scott Holman with the Insurance Information Institute said other equipment that can help homeowners include security systems, carbon monoxide and smoke detectors, and water detection systems.
Water damage can be one of the most costly kinds of damage that we have in our homes.
Nationwide told us new customers can save up to 10% when they install an eligible water leak detection device. If your carrier does not offer smart devices, you can buy some on your own. For example, Ring, the same company that makes camera doorbells, also sells a smart flood sensor you can put in a basement or behind a fridge.
If you are doing your due diligence to mitigate damage, to evaluate your risk, and keep up with some of this technology, you could in the long run save quite a bit of money.
Keeping the price of your peace of mind as low as possible.
Now, because some of these smart devices use third-party monitoring, there's a subscription price involved. So Ting, after your first year, is $50 annually, and they'll give you an allowance of up to $1,000 for fixes that they specifically find. If you hate smart devices, don't like stuff on your phone, you can still get water detectors that have batteries, almost like a smoke detector, and they'll chirp if they detect any flooding.
Oh, that's interesting.
Good to know. All right, Allison, thanks as always. And if you like Allison's What's the Deal segments, you can catch her show streaming on WTHR Plus. Download the app now on Roku, Fire Stick, and Apple TV.